We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey, it's Jordan over at Onyx, and today we're going to show you how to clear a paper jam, and we're working with the Brother HL's L6200dw. And first we are going to check, you're just going to press this button on the top right side, open this cartridge door, and it has a little handle on the cartridge. You just want to pull that straight out. And if the paper jam is in here, you should be able to see it. You'll just pull it, grab on both sides and pull straight out. And you're going to stick this back in there. Should click in there. Close that. If it's not in there, it could also be in the back. So you'll just open this back door. You should see it right there. You'll grab with both hands and pull straight out. If you guys are in need of any supplies or a quote, just give me a call and you have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.